to transform a dull, unappealing landscape into a picturesque space by adding landscaping accessories like landscaping rocks. Indeed, great plants shine more because of these rocks. They're beautiful, easy to use, and don't attract termites. They last forever. With numerous classifications of landscaping rocks on the market, it can be challenging to choose the right one. In this video, we'll introduce you to the landscaping rocks and stones that'll surely sweep you off your feet once you start to imagine having them in your garden. So join us as we introduce them one at a time. At number 1 is the Butterfly Stepping Stone. If you're a fan of butterflies and their magical effect, then you'll love this piece of stone that captures your fancy about these lovely creatures. At a glance, you'll think that these hand-painted butterflies are real as they appear so vivid and glowing. A sure center of attraction for anyone's garden. It has a bas-relief stepping stone made from cement and painted with lush colors, making the decorative appear livelier and more dramatic. Imagine this pair of growing butterflies frolicking among the lush greenery in your yard. The bas-relief stepping stone design also gives a revitalizing effect to the view with its added glow, making your garden rich in color and thus creating that romantic feel. Catch butterflies through these stepping stones in your surroundings. Be sure to top the charm in your garden. You can also use it as an enhancement for your garden wall, pathway, or bed of your garden fountain. It works well for swimming pools and even a complementary effect on your patio floor. Not only that, but it can stand alone as a decorative piece in your fireplace mantel, on your shelves, or as a floor decoration. With the Butterfly Stepping Stone, you can turn a dull place into lively art. It can't go wrong with this great gift during housewarmings and at your friends because of its handy 1 kilogram, 11-inch diameter, and 1-inch thickness. It comes with a secure package for additional 100% safety during handling and delivery. At number 2 is the 20-pound large packed pebbles of sizes to 2 to 3 inches. These packed pebbles are certified by Margot Garden Products, one of your trusted names when it comes to landscaping rocks and stones. It creates that smooth, rounded appearance with well-manicured finishing touches that give you an added artistic look to your garden's landscape. You can also opt to use these pebbles to enhance the appeal of your interior design, either on your walls, cement patio, porches, fireplace mantle, wall, flooring borders, water features, aquariums, and pools. They're perfect for walkways and driveways too. You can have them in your potted plants and flower arrangements or epoxy flooring. You can picture these lovely stones into your interior or exterior landscaping. The beauty that surrounds your flower bed not only adds as a highlight, but these pebbles are useful in retaining moisture in the soil and prevent that soil from being eroded. Certainly, these large pebbles from the famous Margot Garden Products are a pretty addition to your landscaping ideas. These pebbles are sized between 2 to 3 inch white pebbles, tumbled and fashioned to have that smooth, rounded look to cater to all of your creative ideas. They come with a 20-pound bag to aid easy handling whenever you apply them, and easy storage when your projects are complete. Use these pebbles and enjoy that heavenly white colored accent that can complement any personal space. You'll enjoy putting them in your garden or inside your private spaces to beautify the interior design. What did you think of our first 2 products? Stick around, we still have 3 more to go, but before we continue, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to tap on the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload a new product review. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the Exotic Pebbles and Aggregates. If you're looking for something that's exotic or that you've seen in travel and home style magazines, these pebbles are great. They come in a 20-pound polished black gravel bag. This polished gravel is a great alternative to other landscaping materials such as mulch because it can last longer and won't deteriorate. You can have various reasons to include these pebbles in your landscaping, such as enhancing or beautifying a pathway, walkway, driveway, or water feature. It's also great for swimming pool flooring and many other areas. The rocks are 3/8 inches in size and will be attractive on your paths and will look great in a succulent garden and other outdoor uses. It's that exotic look for your landscape, flower arrangements, or potted plants. They're naturally washed black gravel with an earth color tone that has no colorings or coatings, and it's even fit for bird baths or aquariums. These stones are obtained from quarries worldwide, and it's safe for fish in your aquarium. Because of the natural source, you'll experience a different composition due to the different sources. It has natural varying colors. Perfect to highlight your driveway, pathway, walkway, or even your swimming pool bed, it can be used inside your home and on your wall's exterior landscaping. At number 4 is the Fantasia Crystal Vault Tumbled Stones. These pebbles are sourced from Brazil and are tumbled, which adds that rounded look. Polished to look bright and shiny, it comes in a 3-pound bag with different assortments. Its sizes range from 0.75 to 1 1/4, with a majority of them being 1 inch as the average measurement. One of the most well-known authorities when it comes to landscaping stones, the Fantasia brand of premium tumbled stones from Brazil boasts of its 100% natural stones from different mining sites worldwide and is graded as A to AA. They're skillfully tumbled and polished in Fantasia's factory and are bagged carefully to ensure the contents are a wide variety of colorful stones. These stones don't just add cover to your landscaping, but the sophisticated appearance can be used in making jewelry, crafts, arts, and home decor. If you're a creative type, these stones will be a great highlight in wedding ceremonies and event decoration. Indeed, true to its popularity because of the superior quality and beauty. In the bag, you'll have as many as 20 to 28 different combinations of stones, each distinct with its own color. Some of these colors include amethyst, aquamarine, black onyx, cat's eye agate, citrine, clear quartz, gray agate, green aventurine, green jasper, green jade, milky quartz, orange calcite, red aventurine, red jasper, red striped dolomite, rose quartz, and tiger eye, just to name a few. At number 5 are the Landscaping Rock and Pebbles in Mojave Gold. Yes, a gold color with the size of 3/8 inch in a 20-pound bag are great if you're a fan of regal colors. To have these pebbles added to your interior or exterior landscaping really raises the sophistication. These rocks and pebbles look natural in your garden bed or potted plants. Clean and very versatile to use for all of your landscaping projects. They also have the advantage of their low price to help complete your project. Enhance the overall look of your landscaping while protecting the soil underneath from extreme temperatures. They're budget-friendly and low maintenance because they'll never deteriorate. The Mojave Gold is an excellent way of covering your ground, potted plants, drainage rocks, dry or river rock, or your decoration purposes in pathways, ponds, bird baths, ground cover, garden accents, and drainage systems. It offers endless options for your creativity. This decorative rock is made by crushing larger stones. They're safe to use in any application and are 100% natural without any added chemicals or extenders. It's easy to install and aids in regulating moisture in your garden soil and holds it in. Because it's crushed rock, it has those unique angular surfaces that naturally lock into place. It comes in different sizes from 3/8 of an inch to 12 inches in diameter. Unlike pebbles that are usually round and smooth, these rocks have those unique cuts. However, both decorative stone rocks have countless uses. You can use them on top of potted plants, and they're perfect for water-wise landscaping as ground cover or bed covering. They're also perfectly safe for aquariums or ponds. Get that exquisite look now in your landscape by getting these Mojave Gold pebbles. And there you go, the 5 best landscaping rocks out on the market today. If you found the ones that suit your needs, check out the links in the description box below to catch them at their best prices and with free delivery. If there's a product you have in mind you'd like to see us review in the future, just let us know in the comments section and we'll be happy to do the research and provide a fair and square product review. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can be notified of our latest reviews. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here on the ReviewTube channel.